One of the earlier mobile telephony systems was introduced by the Bell Labs in New York City in the 1970s. And in this case, there was a powerful transmitter or a powerful base station that had a coverage area of 1000 square miles. And this transmitter or this base station sported 12 simultaneous calls within its coverage area. And obviously, we can see that this capacity of 12 simultaneous calls, or in other words, serving 12 mobile users at a time, is very limited. So, we needed to increase the capacity of this system. And we know that the frequencies that are available for the mobile communication systems, they are limited frequencies. So uh, despite the limitation of these frequencies or the limited spectrum of these frequencies, we needed to increase the capacity of this mobile system so that it can support more and more users. And similarly, there were coverage problems. For example, if there is a mountain here and there is a mobile that is behind that mountain, it would not get good coverage signal from this base station. So we also needed to solve the coverage problem. So that means that the mobile systems needed to be restructured in order to address these two issues. Number one, the capacity, and number two, the problem of coverage. So, in order to solve these problems, the cellular concept was introduced. And in this concept, instead of using one powerful transmitter, we used many low power transmitters with smaller coverage areas. For example, if there are 100 low power transmitters and each transmitter supports 12 simultaneous calls, then in total these 100 transmitters would support 12 into 100 calls. So in this way, there is a 100 times increase in the number of mobile users that can be supported by this system. So this solves the problem of the user congestion. Now, this architecture of the mobile communication systems is called as the cellular architecture, and it is called as the cellular because cell is the basic unit of this architecture. And what is cell? Cell is basically the coverage area of a transmitter, or in other words, it is the coverage area of the base station. So the total coverage area of a mobile operator is divided into cells, and these cells are represented by the shape of the honeycomb.